Experience the lush flavors of Brazil with this extended Vitamina D abacate recipe. A creamy and nutritious avocado smoothie that embodies the tropical essence of Brazilian cuisine. Vitamina D abacate, a beloved treat across Brazil, combines the rich texture of avocado with the sweet notes of condensed milk, creating a smoothie that's both indulgent and wholesome. Ingredients: 1 large ripe avocado, 1 to 1½ cups of milk whole, skim, or any plant-based milk for a vegan option, to 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Adjust according to sweetness preference, ice cubes optional for a chilled smoothie, a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of grated chocolate for garnish optional. Instructions: 1. Prepare the avocado. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh. Place the avocado chunks into a blender. 2. Blend with milk. Add 1 cup of milk to the blender. For a vegan version, use almond, soy, or coconut milk. Blend on high until the mixture starts to become smooth. 3. Sweeten. Incorporate the condensed milk into the blender. Start with 2 tablespoons and add more to taste, depending on how sweet you like your smoothie. 4. Adjust consistency. If you prefer a thinner smoothie, add more milk until you reach the desired consistency. For a chilled version, add a handful of ice cubes and blend until smooth. 5. Serve. Pour the Vitamina D abacate into glasses. Garnish with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of grated chocolate for an extra touch of sweetness and elegance. 6. Enjoy. Savor the creamy texture and rich flavors of your Vitamina D abacate. It's perfect as a nutritious breakfast, a refreshing snack, or a delightful dessert. Serving suggestions: the Vitamina D abacate is versatile and can be customized with additional ingredients such as bananas, berries, or a scoop of protein powder for an extra nutritional boost. It pairs wonderfully with a light breakfast or serves as a satisfying post-workout treat. Relish the extended Brazilian Vitamina D abacate recipe, a testament to Brazil's vibrant and health-conscious culinary culture. This smoothie not only offers a delicious way to start your day, but also brings a piece of Brazilian warmth and hospitality to your table.